Hey friends, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Brutus Monroe. This is the May 2021 Reach for the Stars Inspiration Box. And I'm sorry, I have cat hair on here. I was cuddling the kitty. He was walking all over the box, which, speaking of, look at how cool that box is. All right, so this has been out for a little bit. I just got home from vacation. We had company, so this is why I'm showing it to you now. And it might take me a couple days to get some stuff made with this, but I don't even really know what's in it. So I'm going to be, if you haven't seen it yet, I'm going to be just as surprised as you. But let's go ahead and take a look at what comes inside of it. So this is the cool box. Like I said, they always have this a really cool sticker over on the outside. I love that. Super fun. And so let's open it up. Ooh, yeah. All right, so I'm going to set this off to the side. And we will go through bit by bit what comes in here. Oh my. Okay. May 2021. Woo! All right, well, we'll start with, oh, it's so cute, the flare. There is always an enamel pin. And look at how cute that one is. It's an astronaut. Oh my gosh. Big one. Has two little backers, but he's so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. All right, so that's obviously our theme, Reach for the Stars. We have an astronaut. I have seen the stamp set. Well, I actually haven't seen the whole stamp set, but I have seen some things that Brutus Monroe's Inspiration team has done, and I've always thought that they did some beautiful things with it, so I was anxious to see what the stamp set actually looked like. All right, let's take a look at our cardstocks. Okay, we have some lightweight orange. Got like a lightweight gray, a lightweight teal. Oh, I like that combo. Lightweight purple, lightweight black, and then we have a full sheet of glitter stock. Always have loved their glitter stock. Cuts beautifully. That is a beautiful palette. I like that. Very, very pretty. So there we have the papers. Now let's dive into some of the embellishments. All right. Here we have our ribbon collection. You get 3 assorted colors. I am digging that color combo. So it's a yard of each color. Purple, turquoise, gray. Awesome. Then we have a sequin mix. Oh, this one's pretty too. You've got clear ones, and those are like super clear. Super clear ones. You've got some turquoise. You've got some purple. This is a beautiful assortment, and it is a 0.5 ounce package. You will have sequins for days. That is a lot of sequins, so check that out. Next, we have, ooh, what is this? Some Chroma Mist in the color white, and I don't know much about it. It's a dye-base mistable ink. Water reactive ink is perfect for all of your papercraft projects. Mist the color all over your scrapbook page, and then switch colors for an awesome ombre effect. Spray close to your project for a concentration of color, or from afar for a fine mist of pigment. All right, looks like you'll have to shake it up pretty good, but we'll give it a shot. I like that. Super cool. Okay, we'll definitely use it. See how, oh no, it's pretty easy to shake up. It's pretty easy to shake. Let's see, do I have a piece of cardstock that I can mist? I'm gonna use my splatter box just because I want to not get it everywhere. I don't know how much this mists. So we'll use a little piece of black. We'll spray close. Okay, and then we'll spray far away. All right, all right. Ooh, I like it. And I'm curious how that will dry. How quickly. That's pretty. Ooh, look at that on the black. Look at that. All right, I'll heat set it and then we'll take a look at it. Bud. Okay, so it does dry back a bit, but that is really pretty on that black cardstock. And that's not dry entirely yet, neither is this. But it dries back, but that is really, really pretty. So I do like that. Very excited to give that a try. And I would imagine, I haven't looked on the website, but I would imagine that they probably have some other colors as well. Because that's what Brutus Monroe do. Okay, now we have, oh look, it's like a little combo pack. We have a Derice embossing folder, and it looks like we have some stickers in here too. That's fun. Look at that. We've got some gold and silver, like foam stickers. That's fun. You get full sheets of those. And these are great because they'll go through the mail just fine. They look like they're nice and thick, but they're gonna, you know, compact down for you. Not gonna cause a problem. And then we have our embossing folder, which is like a constellation, I think. Let's see if the name's on the back. I'll be able to get it out. Celestial pattern. So that's what it's going to look like when you use it. And that's fun. Fun constellations. I don't know many. I know that one's Orion. And like either the Big or Little Dipper. But that's cute. Super fun. You get a couple of those. All right. Ooh. Now we get into some foilables. All right. Oh, I like this a lot. Oh, check out these foilables. I love it when they're big solids because it's, use up all that foil. So typically you will get 8 total sheets, 2 of 4 designs. So you get 2 of this one, and I like that so much. Oh, I love this one. It's like these doodly suns or stars. How cool is that? Oh, he is so cute. And that's, you know, you foil that and it's a card. Or if you wanted to leave it black, you could probably just like do a little bit of coloring on him with some Copic markers or colored pencils, and you'd have a really, really cute little scene. Oh, and then another one. Look at how fun that is. Oh, you know what? I really love this because living in Huntsville, Huntsville is actually called Rocket City. Fun fact, because we have a lot of the space programs and stuff here, and Space Command will be coming here, which makes sense because it's Rocket City. I love those. Those are great. I'm definitely going to be using the heck out of those. Oh, yeah. And then we also have some foilable sentence strips. And this is a different font. It's fun, but it's easy to read. Raise and shine. Have a blast. Smile. You rock my world. I am over the moon for you. You've abducted my heart. Saturn. That frown upside down. Oh, that's cute. Make a wish upon a star. Love you to the moon and back. You are out of this world. Dream big and reach for the stars. Take us to your cake. Thank you. Happy birthday, Earthling. Love you to infinity and beyond. I will always have space for you. I only have I for you. 1. I'm over the moon. And you get 4 sheets. You get 2 in black and 2 in white. And they know over there at Brutus Monroe, I love these. These are an absolute staple. I adore them so much. And these are, in fact, foilable as well, because they are, I believe, printed on with laser printers. That's what makes them foilable. So we may foil some of those. Okay, what else do we have here? Ooh, we have some card bases. Look, how fun. There's 5 card bases. That's fabulous. Pre-scored. A2 card bases. Love that. Big fan. And now, let's get into the stamp set. Oh, yes. And there's a matching die. Oh my gosh. Check it out. Reach for the stars. This is your stamp set. And here are your matching dies. You've got dies for your cute little astronaut, your rocket, for like the comet. Looks like you have some for the planets. You have some for the flying saucer, the little alien. Oh my gosh, he's cute. This is fun. And then this like little, almost like a probe asteroid thingy. I don't know. But I really love this. This is so fitting for where I live. I could send this to so many of our friends here. The sentiments say, follow your dreams, shoot for the stars, and you are out of this world. That's awesome. I love it. And your matching dies. And for the price of this box, if that's a big if this box is still available, I'll have it linked down below. I'll also, if they have the pieces separate, I will link those down below. But your best bet is if you like this stamp set, you might just want to jump on the box, because to try and buy these separately, it's going to cost at least as much as the box, I believe. But you're not only getting your stamp set and your matching dies, you're getting a Chroma Mist. I don't know if this is a normal size Chroma Mist, but you're getting a Chroma Mist, you're getting your card bases, you're getting a bunch of foilables, you're getting an embossing folder and some little stars, you get your cute little flare, your ribbon, your sequins, and all your paper. So this is a winner. All right, well, give me a few days, but you know I'm going to be playing with this and I'm going to be posting. So if you liked this video, make sure you hit that like button. Consider subscribing. Actually, just subscribe. If you're interested at all in what I'm making, make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss what I've made. Yeah, because I'll be back in a few days with some stuff. I can't wait to get started. All right, everybody, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you very soon. Bye.